Welcome to channel Dynamic Vitality, where you get all the vital content in a dynamic manner. Short and to the point videos, most under 45 minutes and some videos under 2 minutes long. We upload high quality content on all kinds of subjects, so make sure to subscribe, and this way you won't miss any new content and it helps our channel grow. This video is about installation of a trunk light on a BMW M6 E63 model. This covers years 2006 to 2010. Now E64 model is a little bit different, it's a convertible, and I am not completely sure if the process is going to be similar. As you can see, first we have to remove all of the plastic rivets, which are the little round plastic pieces highlighted in yellow. These keep the cover in place. Then remove the square plastic piece and the yellow plastic handle. At this point the cover should easily come out. Here is the little square piece that I was talking about, take it out, and here is the yellow handle. Also needs to be removed to be able to remove the whole cover. Next, you have to unplug the light from the power source. Now, for me this proved to be the most difficult part. Usually all you have to do is just squeeze the tabs and it should easily unplug. Unfortunately, this was not the case for me. I ended up leaving the light plugged in since I wasn't installing a new unit. Then there are 6 bolts that need to be unscrewed with an 8mm socket. Do each one going counterclockwise. If you watched my older videos, you will notice that this is the first video where mostly I didn't use any background music. This is based on the comments that I have received in the past, and since many people don't like the music, I will just try to give you explanations to provide you with quality content. To be able to do this, I am using a brand new microphone to make sure that the quality of my voice is adequate for good content viewing experience. Depending on the content, I may still use background music in some of the videos. Let me know in the comments what kind of music you like to hear. Now you will see why I had to remove my lights. As you can see, there are multiple clips that are broken off and the light wasn't flush with the trunk. It just looked like it was partially loose. Now I wasn't ready for this and I did not order a new light, so I had to come up with a different solution to be able to fix the light. I used a very strong plastic epoxy glue which holds the light in place, and from experience this does a very good job and should not come apart. Still, best recommendation would be to order a brand new light, original equipment, especially on such a vehicle. To finish the job, you have to make sure you plug in the light to the power source, then screw in all of the 6 screws, put back the cover and replace all of the plastic rivets, including the little black square plastic rivet and the yellow plastic handle. The plastic rivets simply push back in. Now that we are done, please let me know what you think in the comments and come back for new videos, some of which will contain M6 content. There will be also travel videos and technology related videos. Now take care and see you next time.